In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a universal print driver for the HP printer. The universal will work on both the A3 and A4 range. So from here, just open up a web browser, type in HP universal print driver. There you go. The HP universal print driver for Windows, it should pop up. What you want to click on now is the print drivers. So there'll be two types. The PCL is the general one we use. It's more office-based print driver. The PostScript is a graphics-based print driver. The installation process for both is exactly the same. Just just a different way the drivers send the documents off to the printer. So with the PostScript, it's sent more as an image, so the graphics are better. But if you're just wanting generic kind of text photo, just generic office printing, then the PCL is the one you want. Click download. Yep. Go to downloads, file. Yep, it should just pop up as this HP. Simply have to click and run. Yep, unzip. Okay. And yes, allow the application to run. From here, this is what will come up, the setup wizard. Just yes. Installation mode, traditional is the one you want to choose. And from there, will come with the printer install. If you know if the printer is already installed and you know the printer's shared name, or you have it on your network already, then you can add it on that way. We usually just use IP address to connect directly. So get IP, TCP, and the IP of the printer is 192.168.1.71. From there, you simply choose the PCL6. Yep, the latest version. Next, replace current driver. Yes, and I'm going to name it Reception E877. Oh, Reception E877. And once installed, it will ask you if you want to make the printer shareable. We usually click yes. This just means other people on the same network as the printer can add the printer onto their computers and find it. If this is a personal printer just for yourself, you can choose not to share it. Yep, printer test page. Make sure that you get the printer's connected and it prints out fine. After that, finish. Let the installer just finish up. From there, finish. Click finish. What you want to do from there is go to printers and scanners. As you can see, Reception E877 is the one we just added. Click on it, manage, and click on printer properties. As you can see, papers available is set to letter. Letter is the US default, so you will have to go in and change this. So first things first, we're going to go to Advanced. You can see the driver is the universal print driver we just installed. Go down to printing defaults, printing shortcuts. Change the letter to A4, apply. Okay. Then we'll go to device settings, and as you can see, all the trays are set to letter. Simply select the appropriate type to change them to A4 or A3, depending on what trays you have. It could be A5 even. Just you simply select the appropriate type. So in this one, we have all trays as A4, so that's what I am changing them to. Then from there, I just hit apply. Now the driver should automatically pick up the number of trays and add them on. But in the case that they don't, as you can see, trays 6, 7, and 8 and onwards are all grayed out. That's because the driver knows the printer does not have these trays. Sometimes you'll have just 1, 2, and 3 added on, and 4 and 5 not grayed out, but just saying not installed. You simply hit on the Dropbox, install, then it'll come black, then you just select the size. But this rarely happens. The printer is pretty good at just picking up the number of trays. And again, this driver works on both A4 and A3. Simply A3s we use plain is just tray 1 and 2. From there, OK. Go back to printer properties, and you can see the A4 is now popped up. If you, depending on what paper size you have, if you have A3 trays or A5 trays, then the A5 and A3 should all pop up as well. That's just a handy check. From there, you would go to printing preferences and make sure, yep, the paper size is set to A4. So this printing preferences is the default settings. So if I change this to A6, apply and save, then every time I open the print properties, when I go to print a document, then the paper size will be set to A4. So it is important to make sure that this paper size is set to A4 or the appropriate size that you'll be printing the most. Set paper source to automatic. Print on both sides, depending what you want. Paper type unspecified. We generally advise to leave these as the options. Same with paper quality, just leave it all as is. The only thing you'll need to change is A4 for basics, unless you want a specific setup. So as in you wanted to select a specific tray to print from, you wanted to select a specific paper type to print from. Otherwise, all you need to do is change the paper size.